Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Blackened salmon is incredibly fast to make, exploding with flavor, and surprisingly healthy. You can have a restaurant-quality meal on your table in under 15 minutes, making it perfect for busy weeknights. It's also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, a great source of protein, and a delicious way to enjoy seafood. This simple technique transforms ordinary salmon into something truly extraordinary. First, gather your ingredients. Grab 2 salmon fillets, about 6 ounces each, and decide if you prefer the skin on or off. Next, have a generous amount of blackening spice blend ready. It's the heart of the flavor. You will also need 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter or olive oil, and importantly, a heavy-bottomed skillet, preferably cast iron. These simple items are all you need to start. Now, let's talk about the key to blackening: high heat. Place your skillet over high heat until it's smoking slightly, creating that essential hot surface. While it heats, dredge each salmon fillet generously in your blackening spice blend, coating it completely. Carefully place the seasoned salmon, presentation side down, into the hot pan. Cook for 2 to 4 minutes per side, depending on thickness, until a dark, flavorful crust forms. Once your salmon has that beautiful dark crust and is cooked through, immediately remove it from the screaming hot pan. Letting it rest for a few minutes on a plate before serving allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender, flaky result. For a burst of freshness and color, garnish your perfectly blackened salmon with fresh lemon wedges or a sprinkle of chopped parsley. It's simple, yet elevates the entire dish beautifully. For the best results, always ensure good ventilation in your kitchen. The high heat produces some smoke. Also, avoid overcrowding the pan. Cook your fillets in batches if needed, ensuring an even, crispy sear every time. Finally, feel free to experiment with different spice blends or add a touch more heat if you like a kick. Now you have all the knowledge to create fantastic blackened salmon. Enjoy your delicious homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.